Hello, my name is Dr. Norma Thomas, and we are in the historic John Wesley African Methodist Episcopal Zion Church in Uniontown, Pennsylvania. This church was a station on the Underground Railroad. In the basement of this church, you can actually see the entrance to the tunnel that leads from near Main Street, actually from the Seawright Avenue side, into the church, and then onto what was a house on Baker Alley. And once the slaves would make it through that passage, then a bell would ring from the church tower. The AME Zion Church is often called the Freedom Church. And again, this particular church has been organized since 1844. This current building was constructed in 1913, so it would have been constructed over those tunnels. And it's a building that seats about 560 people with beautiful stained glass windows. So again, this church is historic because of its role as one of the stations in the Underground Railroad in Uniontown, Pennsylvania, Fayette County, Pennsylvania.